Pause. Stop scrolling. Before you buy that one last thing you swear you need, let me ask you a disrespectful question. If your bank account had feelings, would it send you a thank you card, or would it file a formal HR complaint against you? Yeah, exactly. Today I'm showing you how to manage your vault, your money, so you stop leaking cash like a busted garden hose and finally start stacking wealth like a grown adult with functioning brain cells. Rule number 1, you can't manage a vault if you don't even know what's in the vault. Grab your phone, a napkin, the back of a receipt, whatever you gremlins use, and write down 3 things. How much money actually comes in, how much runs away, and where it runs to, because apparently your money has legs. This part might hurt. You might experience emotional turbulence. That's normal. Every vault keeper knows. Clarity is the first step to control. No more, I think I'm fine. No more vibes-based budgeting. Numbers only, baby. Next up, fix the holes in your vault. Look at your spending and highlight everything that is unnecessary, impulse-driven, purchased during a mental breakdown, boredom, or because Starbucks smiled at you. These are wallet parasites. Little expenses nibbling away at your money until suddenly your bank account looks like a horror movie jump scare. Cut them, reduce them, replace them with cheaper versions. Your goal isn't to stop living. Your goal is to stop financially self-sabotaging at 2 a.m. on Amazon. A vault isn't just a metal box. It's a disciplined system, like a financial dojo. Set simple rules. 50% essentials, 30% enjoyment, 20% growth. These rules turn chaos into structure. They protect you from the real villain of personal finance, you making random decisions based on vibes and caffeine. The best vault managers don't rely on willpower. They automate everything so they can't sabotage themselves later. Setup: auto bill payments, auto savings, auto investments, auto reminders before you do dumb things. Automation grows your vault even when your brain is running on 3 hours of sleep and pure delusion. This is how you build wealth without thinking. Perfect for people who forget they even have bills. Once a week, check in with your vault, open your accounts, review your goals, see if you're on track or if you've spiraled again. This is your vault ritual. It keeps you sharp, it keeps you accountable, and it prevents that terrifying moment when you wake up like, who robbed me? Spoiler, it was you. That's your crash course on managing your vault like someone who actually cares about their future. Know what's inside. Stop the leaks. Set your rules. Automate everything. Do this consistently and your future self will bow down and thank you. If you want more Money Mastery videos, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment. Vault mode activated. See you in the next one.